Unraveling the mystery of ice over. English phrases explained. Hello and welcome, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, ice over. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Understanding such phrases is not just about words, but also about how they paint a picture or convey a concept in English. So, let's embark on this chilly exploration together. The phrase, ice over, is primarily used to describe a physical change, specifically when a liquid turns into ice, covering a surface. It's often used to talk about water bodies like lakes, ponds, or even parts of the ocean in extremely cold weather. For instance, the lake iced over during the cold snap. Here, it's clear that the lake, which was liquid, has turned to ice. But there's more. Ice over can also be used figuratively. In a metaphorical sense, it can describe a situation becoming cold or unfriendly, or emotions becoming numb or frozen. For example, after the argument, the atmosphere in the room iced over. This doesn't mean the room literally turned into ice, but rather that the mood became very cold and uncomfortable. How do we use this in everyday English? Ice over is versatile. In winter or cold regions, it's a handy descriptive phrase. Be careful driving. The roads have iced over. In conversational English, it can add color to descriptions of social scenarios or emotional states, making your English sound more nuanced and native-like. A common mistake learners make is using ice over in contexts unrelated to cold or freezing. Remember, it's not used for general coverings or coatings. Saying, "The cake iced over with chocolate," is incorrect. Here, we'd simply say, "The cake is iced with chocolate." I hope this exploration of ice over has added a cool new element to your English vocabulary. Remember, phrases like this can add depth and color to your language skills. Happy learning, stay curious, and see you in our next English adventure. Goodbye for now. This format breaks down the concept in a structured, easy-to-understand way, suitable for an audience learning English. The video can use visual aids like pictures of iced-over landscapes for the literal meaning, and maybe facial expressions or comic strips for the figurative sense, making the learning process engaging and memorable.